Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you an app that is best for blurring photo background. As you see in my video, here is the photo that already edited and here is the original one. Okay, now let's go to see the app that I am using. The app is called Tada, T-A-D-A-A here, Tada, and you can find it in the App Store. Okay, now let's start. When you open the app, it will show like this. Here you can use your camera to capture the photo and edit, or you can pick up the photo from your photo album here on the right side. Okay, now let me choose the photo from the album. Okay, I will choose the original one that's not yet edited here. Okay, what you need to do is just click on the blur here. Okay, and click on create mask. Okay, on the left side we have mask tool, erase tool and move tool. Okay, mask tool is the tool that you use to mask the picture where you want to show up. Okay, now let me mask. Okay, start masking. Okay, just start masking. Start masking. And you can use your two finger to zoom in and zoom out. It's much more easier for you. Okay, okay, mask like that, mask here, here. Okay, here is over, so you can use the erase tool here to delete the edge. Okay, and use mask tool again to mask here, mask here. Okay, mask downward. Oh, here is not good. Okay, we use erase tool here to delete. Okay, zoom it, delete here, here. Okay, zoom out, zoom in, maybe mask here. Okay, it look like better now. Or we can mask a bit here more. Okay, here. Okay, now it look like good. So if you think it is good, just click on the tick on the top right corner. Okay, and we have all circular, linear. Here we want to use, I use all. Okay, it look like this. If you use circular, it look like this, and you can move anywhere you want. Okay, move like this, or use the linear, move like this. Okay, but I use all. It will blur all, and you can increase here, increase the blur capacity. Is okay, you can increase or decrease the blur capacity, the increase or decrease the glass, the highlight, and you also can change here. Okay, here the light shape. Okay, you can change the light shape, increase. I will increase it all. Okay, after that you just click on here and click on save, and the photo will save to album. Okay, now click done and go back to the photo album. Here is the new photo that just edit, and here is the original one. Okay, one more thing, if you edit the same photo for the second time, okay, you just click on the old photo. You see, it will show you the last edit that you already did before. Okay, now what you need to do is, if you want to edit it more, just click on blur, and we have edit mask, not create mask. It will show edit mask if you edit the same photo for second time, and you click on edit and you edit wherever you want. Okay, and then you just tick again and save. Now photo save to album. Okay, we have this one that just edit, and here is the original one. Okay, once again, the app is called Tada, TADAA, and you can find in the App Store. Okay, now let's start with me, or you can find it in the App Store. Okay, now just start. When you open the app for the first time, it will show like this. Okay, and you can use your camera here to capture the photo and editing for blurring the background, or you can choose the photo from the photo gallery here at the right side. Now let me choose the photo. Okay, now I will choose this one. Okay, did you see the background is so messy and you want it to blur more than this? So you just click on the word blur here, blur, and click on create mask. On the left side here we have mask, erase, and move. Okay, mask is where you want the photo to show up. Okay, now let me mask. Click on the mask and click on the photo, the thing that you want to show up. You can use your two fingers to zoom in and zoom out, and start to mask where you want it to show up. Okay, let me show you like this. Okay, you can zoom to make it much better. You can see here is over where you want. Okay, so you can use the erase tool here to delete. Yes, okay, now it's okay. After you already mask where you want, you just click on the tick here on the right side. Yes, tick here. Okay, did you see? It's much better than before. You can use all here. What happens if I click on the word all here? Oh, it's much blurring. Or you can use the circular here, linear, but I might use all here. Okay, it's much better. After that, you just click on the tick here, tick on the right side. Okay, and then save on the right side. Okay, wait. Yes, photo now save in the photo gallery. So click on done. Yes, and go back to the photo gallery and check here the final ones. It's much blurred in the background and much better than the first photo. Here is the first photo, and here is the final photo after editing in Tada apps. One more thing, if you open the app and edit the same photo for the second time, okay, if you edit the same photo in the second time, I mean you edit this photo again, you just click on it. Yes, and it will show up the last edit that you have edited. So you can edit this one again by click on the blur and then click on edit mask. Yes, edit mask, and you can zoom in, zoom out to edit what you want. Okay, you can mask a bit here, a bit here. Okay, and then if you think it's okay, just click on the tick on the about right side here. Okay, tick again, and you just click on save here. The photo will save to the gallery again. Now click on dance and go back to the photo gallery to see. Yes, this is a photo where we already edit with the Tata app. It's much professional. Okay, if you enjoy, just click like and share to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.